How to edit live photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, tap on the Live button at the top left corner of the photo as shown. Here, you can view all the effects available. You can try out all the effects from here. For example, loop, bounce, long exposure or more. Now, go back to the live photo effect. Then, tap on the edit icon at the bottom. Go to the bottom panel and tap on the live icon. You can now edit the photo and choose a key photo from here. After that, tap on Done at the top. Following these steps, you can easily edit live photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.